Hello everyone, today our video is going to be presented about one among the ASEAN countries, which is Malaysia. What do you know about Malaysia and how much do you know about this country? Now let's go through this video to find out more about Malaysia. Malaysia is located in Asia, and this country consists of two parts separated from each other by the South China Sea. West Malaysia, or it's called Peninsular Malaysia, and the southern third of the Malay Peninsula in the south is Asia and East Malaysia. It is called Malaysia Borneo, which occupies the northern quarter of the island of Borneo. Malaysia borders Brunei, Thailand, and Indonesia, and its sea borders Singapore, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Its total area is about 330,803 kilometers. And Kuala Lumpur is known as the capital city of Malaysia. The local climate is rainy, hot, and humid throughout the year. The temperature in the country is perpetually high, and different parts of Malaysia experience different climate conditions. The average temperature range from Kuala Lumpur from 75 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Malaysia is a multi-racial country, and the current population is 32.37 million, which consists of the main racial groups of Malays, Chinese, Indians, and the very diverse group of indigenous people in Sabah and Sarawak. And life expectancy at birth, male is 73.2 years and female is 77.6 years. And the GNI per capita is 10,460 US. The different types of religion in Malaysia reflect the variety of races living there. The Malays practice Islam predominantly, and most of the Chinese believe in the Buddhism and Taoism, but others are Christians. Indian population mostly practice Hinduism, and most of other indigenous people have converted to Christianity, but others still practice animism. Malaysia is one of the most biodiversity in the world, about 210 species of animals, over 620 species of birds, and 150 species of snakes and 80 species of lizards. The national flower is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, and the national animal is Malayan tiger. The local currency known as Ringgit Malaysia, and it is currently paid at 3.80 ringgit, is equal to $1 US. The Malaysian school system is divided mainly into 5 stages: preschool, kindergarten, primary school, secondary school, and Chinese independent middle school. The national language of Malaysia is Bahasa Malaysia. And English used to be on the curriculum in schools, but is rarely these days, so the foreigners could communicate with them in English, and older Malaysians speak better English than younger ones. Malaysia is one of the most open economy in the world, with the trade to GDP ratio averaging over 130% since 2010. According to the World Bank's Human Capital Index, Malaysia ranks 50th out of 157 countries. Malaysia's economy has been transformed since 1970s from one based primarily on the export of raw materials, rubber and tin, to that one is among the strongest, most diversified, and fastest growing in Southeast Asia. Primary production remains important. The country is a major producer of rubber and palm oil, exports considerable quantities of petroleum and natural gas. It is one of the world's largest sources of commercial hardwoods. Increasingly, however, Malaysia has emphasized export-oriented manufacturing to fuel its economic growth. Malaysia is a federal constitutional effective monarchy, which is a model on the British parliamentary system. The head of state is Yang di-Pertuan, often referred to as the king. The head of state is elected to run a 5-year term by the 9 hereditary rulers in the Malay states. The 4 states which do not have governors do not participate in the election. Since 1994, the head of state's role has been mainly ceremonial. Legislative power is divided between the federal and state legislature. Parliamentary consists of the lower house, the House of Representatives, and the upper house, the Senate. Each member of the House of Representatives is elected in the general elections and represents a constituency. Malaysia is one of the most countries who is rich in culture. Malaysia has its own unique and specialized culture. There are 3 different cultures in Malaysia society nowadays, such as Malaysia culture, Indian culture, and Chinese culture. There are 3 different races in Malaysia. They are practicing different unique culture about religion. In Malaysia society, nearly all the world religions such as Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity are present in Malaysia, but the most are Muslim Malay, most Hinduism and Indian, and most Buddhism Chinese. On the 19th April 2020, Malaysia will hold an international conference on environment and life science in Kuala Lumpur, which is also known as the capital city of Malaysia. This event is an elegant global platform for the international conference and uniquely describes the academic research and development across the globe. This event tries to fill in the void that is being created by the current global academic and research by the different goals and challenges. Also, all the attendees and researchers from different domains will be provided the unique and rational opportunities. This event globally strives toward achieving excellence in the cutting edge of the entire researchers from all the disciplines of technologies and tries to definite the gap and integrate the thought. Due to the current situation of COVID-19 and government regulation, all the attendees and participants will be required to join in the video conferencing facility in the publication process.